So there I was, dreaming of bacon, when my human rolls in with this shiny new GoPro. He's like, let's go test this camera out. I'm like, what the heck, mate? It's raining, and I'm clearly in sleep mode. Then he says it. Let's do it down the beach, Roxy. Wait, what? The beach? Oh, you should have led with that, count me in. So first of all, my human's a bit precious about his 20-year-old car. Like, seriously, mate, it's seen better days. But hey, I'm a VIP, so he carried me straight to the front seat like royalty. I called shotgun, obviously. Windows down, ears flapping, pure joy. It was wet, really, really wet. But he just got this new GoPro and was all hyped up to try it. Where are the bloody kids when you need them? So off to the beach we went, rain or no rain. We parked up and I hit the trail, leash on, paws ready. The path was all sandy and twisty, like a jungle runway. Jesus, this path is longer than I remembered. Are we there yet? Are we even going the right way, mate? Wait, hold up. Alright, let's roll. Trees flying by, smells coming at me from every angle. I'm locked in. This isn't just a walk, it's an adventure. Click, the leash comes off. Freedom! You know what time it is. Off leash, baby. Time to chase some sticks, or crabs, like they owe me money. This is my beach now, bitches. So I found this stick, right? I was like, so look, mate. I'm happy just lying here chewing this stick. Then he comes and grabs it. I'm like, it's mine, all mine. Then he throws it away. Jesus, what's wrong with you? I'm like, wait a minute. What's that smell? Bro, it's raining and you are wearing a jumper. Loser alert! The moment when you know you are on the same level. Come back here, you! One last sniff. And I'm done. Now back to this stick. Hand it over, old mate. Would you stop throwing it away? So further up the beach, we came across this wild, untamed river. I mean, like, whoa. So I decided to head down the river to find a good crossing. Can't just jump in anywhere, right? I take the first step, then another, and suddenly, uh-oh. You know that moment when your life flashes before your eyes? I'm like, too deep, I'm going back, mate. Bloody hell, that was close. I need to shake that off and compose myself. Right, I know where I'm going, follow me. Yes, here we are, the perfect place to cross. Oh, cancel that. Here we go. Crap, too deep. Maybe I'll follow you. Anyway, after all that drama, I found a spot to cross. Splish, splash, splish, splash. Simple as that. Now, off to those weird-looking rocks up the beach. They kind of look like the moon, or maybe cheese. Either way, I was in explorer mode. One small step for pups. On a giant leap over that puddle I did not see coming. Careful now, Roxy. Oh, a cave. Should I go in? Ah, yes, obviously. Nothing here. Move on, old mate. Oh, wait. Is that a tunnel into another dimension? I did it! I traveled through to the other side. This feels like the part in the movie where someone says, "We shouldn't be in here." 0 crabs in there. Move along. Hang on a minute. I think I've found something. If I find moon crabs, I'm naming them all Gary. OMG, a black hole. Well, this might be the end. Tell my chew toy I loved her. Jesus, is that a snake? Yeah, nah. All good. Just a stick. I knew that. How do I get out of here? Okay, mission control. This is Commander Roxy. Area secured. Moon conquered. Back across the wild river. One small step for dog, one giant leap for fluff kind. I'm 87% certain this is where aliens keep their lost tennis balls. I know it's here somewhere. Shake! Doing tricks for food. This is my life now. A once proud explorer, reduced to spinning in circles for snacks. You think I do this for fun? No, mate. I do it for the treats. Back to the ute. And here we go again. I sit like a good girl. He lines up the treats like I'm in some kind of snack ceremony. Then boom, he launches a handful like confetti. Now it's treat treasure hunt all the way home. We get home and boom, I bolt straight around the side of the house. You know what time it is? Hose off time. Let the chaos begin. Finally, back on the deck. And yes, it's time for my luxury rubdown. I shake. I pose. I demand my breakfast. What a morning.